Amazing app. Let's check what tools we have. First, we have DZ4Team. Here you will find modded applications with no ads, free to download. Next, we have Adless. This tool will allow you to remove ads from your APK. Just click browse load, then it will go to pending. You will wait the processing, then it will move to the work. After the work finish, you will find your APK here. Click download to download your applications. Scroll down and you will find your application without ads. Download and install it and enjoy. We have bio in link. Here you can create social media links. Awesome tools. You can put the link in your video description or your profile description. Very clean. Also, we have DZ4App. With this website, you can upload file and share it on the internet. You will earn money after people download your file. Also, we have DZ4Link. With this website, you can short links, file or YouTube videos or any important link on the internet. Share your link and you will earn every time someone click on your link. The rest is the social media of DZ4Team. Download the application now, DZ4Team. Thank you for watching.